Alright, welcome back to Mario and Luigi Brothership. This is now episode number 13, I believe, right? Yeah, I took like a little break from the beginning episodes, but like got these two out from like the past 2 days. So yeah, let's go save these people real quick. I think we just need to go one room higher. I don't think, yeah, we just got 2 new bros attacks that we haven't used it because I'm just trying to save those for boss battles because it's really one of the most useful to deal the most damage possible. But yeah, here we are, back over here. Alright, and here we are. Intruders, identify yourselves. Alright.
Oh yeah.
We might as well show off these rose attacks since we just got them. The Zapparator. After charging with Mario and Luigi, call down lightning with a time limit X. Targets all enemies. Okay, let's see here. I don't get it. Look, is auto charges? Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see Hatchy if you can. Oh. Yeah, I don't get it. There we go. Let me get a demo for this. Okay. I don't. Okay, so I guess I have to press X after? I guess you need to press X after charging the power? I don't know. There's the Yoshi. That other one's gonna take me a bit of getting used to. It's just really, really weird. I should press ABA and then press X, I guess? I don't know. Door opened. Hooray! Now we're finally really free. I don't have the words to express how grateful I am, but thank you. Alright, team. It's been quite the day, so how about you all leave early? What? Really? Yay! I wish I could get that all the time. The best boss ever. He's really clever. Our boss is the sauce. Nice bet, people. Even if you show it only at quitting time, as I say. Mario, Luigi, we'll leave you to it. Oh. Alright. What do those idle kids scurry off to? Well, I think we should head right to the lobby at 1F. Probably the best idea. Very nice. Okay. I forgot we could do ball. What are we supposed to do then? I told you, we can't do this on our own. We gotta look for Mario and Luigi. But what'll happen to Ello? What if they take him away? That's what I'm saying. We can't save him if it's only us. If we went to fight those creeps, we might all get taken away. There's no point in that. Mario, Luigi. It's a bad, bad mess. Those extension creeps took our Ello. Oh. Try our best to stop them, but please, you gotta save Ello. The extension creeps were headed to the roof last we saw them. Mario, Luigi, you gotta do something. And something we shall do. Alright, so it looks like we're headed to the roof now. Ball. Oh, would you look at this? We got ourselves a little maze going on over here, I see. I just need to get my way back out of here real quick. I'm gonna guess that we need the UFO here. Well, that looks good. Let's get these item blocks and I can go fight that other guy down there. There we go. We got a candy here. Only great.
Oh yeah!
Playing a little level up for Mario at least. Need to get used to using the other bros move we have. There we go. We got a super nut out of it. A little bit of experience is going to help Luigi capture the Mario, hopefully. Okay. Oh, okay then. Do this real quick. Spin. I guess I have to spin this one more time. I think I have to get it. Like, I have to go through there. Yeah, I think I see it. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so I would have to go in through here. There we go. I have to go all the way around. Right, now we have to go through here. Get in here. Go, go, go. Okay, right up here. Okay, well, there we go.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Luigi, there you go. Alright, plus we can craft. Okay, we'll take care of those later then. Alright, looks like we have a boss fight coming up, so we shall prepare ourselves for that. Yeah, I think I see the lighthouse up there anyway, so. Alrighty, alrighty. I see another one. I don't know, whatever. Okay. Wait up! Idle kids, hello. I know it's dangerous and we might get in the way, but Ella's our friend, and we need him in Idle. There's Ella, way over there. Oh. Come on, this one too. Pick up the pace here. We gotta hurry before we lose him. The L in Idle is taking charge. Hang in there, Ella. Oh boy. Blammo! Look. You finally made it, shrimp stashes, but too late. You guys, quit forcing the people you stole away to make this glom stuff. What's the big plan? I'm not saying we are. Or, I will say, you're done here. Oh yes, this kid's the whole future is plugging away at the Grey Lighthouse Island. Wait, where'd he go? Hey, I'm back. Hello. You alright? What? Outplayed? But how? They can't let him get away. Who cares? That kid's too porky for our purposes. Ah, there's only one thing left to do. Mega Snapdoor attack. Oh boy. Dear Lord. I mean, hey, it looks cool though. It's huge. Take out this trash, Mega Snapdoor. Put those smug stashes down to size while you're at it. Alright then.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can already see the Luigi logic happening here. Oh. I mean, I guess I should just dodge that, I guess. So it's literally just like a big snap door. Okay. Okay. Right on the head. Very nice. 200 damage. Very nice. Okay. And a plug is out of charges. Okay. Let me use okay, I need to use Luigi's Zapperator. Like, I need to get better at using this thing. I think that's a good one. There we go. Only 58 damage though, okay. So it doesn't seem ideal to be using... Okay. So it doesn't seem ideal to be using the Zapperator against single target attacks, single targets. Yeah, so it's just a big snapper, okay. Let's use the super nut here. Get ourselves back to full here. There we go. There we go. Here goes the Luigi logic.
Leave it to me.
Alright, let's see it, Luigi. There we go. There we are. It looks like the snapper's down. Time to deal some big damage. There we are. I think it's better if I just use the green shell here because the Zapperator doesn't look like it's going to be amazing for a single target, or at least I'm just not using it good. Yeah, I already did the leagues more anyway, so. Okay, I think that's the first time I've ever had a bro go down.
Mario.
We do have some one-ups though. There we go. I'm just gonna use a syrup jar here. Oh yeah. What's this do? 50%? Alright, so we got yep, there we go. But we charged. Right on the noggin. There we go. There we go. Looks like Luigi logic's coming back. Okay. And okay, yeah, it's all going downhill from here. He still does a solid amount of damage at least. Okay, attempt number 2. There we go.
Oh yeah!
There we go. Very nice. I do need to heal here. There we go. Fall down the link. You know, we're gonna get good at this attack, okay? Well, it's gonna have to do. Yeah, it does only 46, so it seems like it's definitely better for like spread attacks. Okay, well. Alright, well, it's down. Thank you, counterattacks. Very cool. Your Mega Snapper ain't enough for all of us, so yep. Damage shield, okay. Very solid amount of experience. We got Luigi to level up finally. Okay. And the Mega Snapper is down. What? Where does extension guys go? Aggressive. You beat our Mega Snapper. But we're way ahead of you, as usual. We had so many more captives here on top of the floor of this building. We sent them all to the Great Lighthouse by now. We're going to work those workers. Glom mass production at last. Savor the flavor of failure, fools. Here to fail again, you know where to find us. If you can get there. Haha. That's rough. We weren't able to find anything about Glom. But maybe we'll find out more if we go to the Great Lighthouse Island. We gotta figure out our next move and how to get to that Great Lighthouse Island. But first, let's get this island linked up. We can all talk on some shit. Yeah, situation isn't looking too good. We have to go to the wall here, okay. Yeah, it's not looking so good for our friends that have been taken away at the Great Lighthouse. But it's okay that we took down the big version of the annoying birds, so that's cool. Alright. And with this, our next island is officially linked. Well, about to be, I should be saying.
Okay.
There we go. Very nice. And Lottacoin has been connected. Looks like we got a lot of the islands already reconnected too. There's probably more though. There we go. A little bit more power to the Uni tree. This sounds serious. We should head to the Great Lighthouse as soon as we can. I have an idea what to do about that wall, but I have a favor to ask the two of you. Come see me later. Alright. You might also check out, see if we can get any more gear. But that's things here at the gear shop. Alright, so it seems like Steady Hammer, Super Hammer. We know who we're that buying. We don't know who we're buying that for. Take it, Luigi. Super wear. Ooh. You entice me so. Make Luigi even more tankier. Come again. Alright. Well, first of all, we could get a save here, right? You also get to secure these side quests too. Did you talk to Technicky and the Idol Kids? You really ought to go see them first. If we got it, then we got it. Mario, Luigi, be honest. Are we helping? Absolutely. Everyone Idol did wonderfully at Lottacoins. It kind of felt like we were mostly in the way. Hear me out, Princess Peach. I'm listening. Us Idol Kids have a ways to go still. But we can somehow prove ourselves. Maybe we can somehow show we're useful to you, Mario and Luigi. Princess Peach, we'd like for you to help us. Will you join Idol? What? Me? I have to say yes right now. Yeah, just think about it. I'm gonna come up with a way to be useful. Yep, you'll see. Oh my, this is so sudden I don't know what to say. At least take this. What is it? Everyone Idol wears that scarf. This makes you an honorary member. I see. Thank you. Oh, nice. Alright. Can we gotta go talk to Technicky. I forgot.
Oh yeah!
Those side quests should be still available, right? Yeah, okay. So we got time to do a little bit of wandering. Well, not a little bit of wandering, but like more... She was up here, right? Yeah. Where's she at? Hello. Working on a rocket? What? Whoa, okay. Maybe we can use it to break through that wall. Slow down there. You're making what? A rocket. Destroyed the wall between us and the Great Lighthouse Island? Though it's not quite complete, I'm still lacking an important component of stickum oil. If I had it, it would be trivial to destroy the wall. You'll get it for me? That'll be ideal. Your offer is well within my projected outcome. Stickum oil is mainly found in deserts. See where this is going? Does it shock you that I'm handling such a dire situation this calmly? I believe in efficiency. In action. The rest is beyond my control. Though inside, I think we all feel the same way. It looks like the Uni Tree's about to point us there. Ooh, okay. Going all the way back over there, I see. Separate currents have been reconnected. Hey! What? That sound from the beach. Oh boy, is it Bowser? It couldn't be, could it? Is it Bowser? After all this time? Okay, yeah, decide where to steer ship shape. Yeah, let's go see what's. Oh, we got more side quests to do now. It's Dory. There's a shot from the beach. Is something wrong? Dory. Oh, I think I remember who that is. I just need to get a better picture to exactly remember. Let's see. I'm pretty sure Dory's like that one Steve thing from one of the Mario games, right? Oh, with this we can finally go into ball. We can finally get whatever's down here. That's cool. It took that long to get a 1-up deluxe. Okay. Oh yeah, it's Dory. Oh my goodness. I remember that thing. Can I talk to Peach at all? There we go. Dory! I can't believe you're here. Careful, don't get too close. Shoo. Hey, easy. This is your friend from our world. Don't worry, Dory won't bite you. But it's kind of scary. Irene, you gotta be careful. You don't want to be its lunch. Look, it's hurt. Poor thing. We got some medicine to help? Medicine. I bet Bondor would work. We could sell it on Desolate Island. We'll go get some. Hey, Princess Peach. Lug, come on. We're gonna go to Desolate Island. Duels? Elo, you two stay here and keep your eye on our patient. But that's a big patient. And scary. He'll be fine. Bye. Oh man. Cute. The voice on the beach belongs to a wounded Dory. See to its injuries quickly. I guess we should. All these other side quests here, the Vision in Pink, I will probably get those in like just like shorter footage by the end of this episode whenever it comes out to be. Yeah, we are going to Desolate. We have another side quest here anyway that we could probably start, so yeah, there we go. Bum 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 bum. I don't want this weed man here. Yes, you see, I'm running a business here. There's really nothing I can do for you. Please, there's no way you can accept what we have to offer? It's also for 50,000 coins easy. There's no way I can let it go for 5. Look at you with that fancy royal getup. There's no way you're that short of coins. But All we have right now is... Yeah, I hear ya. Tell you what, get that shiny thing on your head. Maybe we can make a deal. Oh, very well. You may have it. Mario, Luigi. Hey, what goes in the deal here? What's with all the running up and barging in? Or maybe, you two want in on this? I think the original price was a mere 5 coins. How high can we go? They're going for that for Bondor? Talking 999. Okay, no thanks. What? You're flat broke too? Well, get out of here then. Hey, let me go. Huh? Huh? Help! You still got a deal, right? Well, that was unexpected. Luke, you know what to do. Yep, here goes. Ooh, nice. Oof, that really stings. I didn't even knock out the snap, dude. You good? You sand? Ooh, that was scary. What? The flying snatcher smacker didn't move to take it down? No way. That was the atomic snatcher snap, would have taken it out easily. Uh-oh. Mario, Luigi. Looks like we just gotta take out... No? Was it last episode or was it this episode still? I'm pretty sure it was this episode. We didn't even get these... I don't think we even showed them off last episode to be... Oh well. Okay. Come on, 5 coins. Hand over the Bondor. Well... Maybe snatch your food if we hadn't helped you. Want us to call our flying friend back over? Let's not be too hasty here. Bondor is yours. We don't allow no sketchy sales swerves on our island. Got it? Got it. Remember for all your Bondor needs. Okay, princess. Let's head back. Oh yeah, there you go. Good, Dory. All better? Feels like a good sign. Right as rain? Awesome. Whoa, it's huge up close, huh? You've been watching Dory. Everything's good. I love Dory. Dory wants to be on our crew. Is that white Dory? Oh. Yeah, that'd be so cool. I respawned it in a nice Dory-sized scarf. I love Dory even more of the scarf. Great work, Idol. Thank you so much. Very nice. That was cute. We got an idol scarf. What's this doing? Hey. Hey, Luigi. We got some new gloves for you here, buddy. You can put these on. Put these on Mario. There we go. Very nice. Yeah. All right. Now I think with this, we've saved Dory. I think this is going to conclude this episode of Mario and Luigi Brothership. Let's go ahead and save our game real quick, shall we? Alright then. Well, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll get you guys in the next episode. Peace out.